The Bharatiya Janata Party today has come before the Election Commission, and we are grateful that both the members, the Chief Commissioner and also the member, were present and gave us a very patient hearing. We are grateful to the Election Commission. We are quite aware the model code of conduct has not been yet announced for elections of 2019 Lok Sabha. However, in the interest of wanting to have a free and fair environment in which elections can be conducted, we have come to bring to the notice of the Election Commission certain happenings in West Bengal which has complete cooperation of the party in power in Bengal, the Trinamool Congress, and the instances that we highlighted before the Election Commission clearly point out that the government in Bengal run by Trinamool Congress does not believe in democracy, is out there with all its workers, making sure that political parties don't get a space for conducting their legitimate activities. Officials, some of them, whose names and their positions are also highlighted to the Commission, officials are acting in cahoot with the government, delaying permissions which have been applied for at least 4 to 5 days before every event, in which the recent one which you will recall is of the elected Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh wanting to attend a rally for which the district authorities have been sought for permission at least 4 days ago, and in spite of that, the concerned authority did not even give permission till the last minute, and probably a Freudian slip from his mouth said that there's pressure from above that I can't give the permission for this meeting. And all of you are aware that unfortunately the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh had to only talk to the people who have rallied there, come there at great odds to their own lives, only through telephonic conversation. Every worker of BJP is constantly being threatened. The civic volunteers, the so-called civic volunteers who are recruited by the TMC, are working as representatives of the police. In fact, they are given uniforms, they are given lathis, so that they appear as though they are policemen only. And the common citizen of Bengal is not going to be able to differentiate between a policeman and a civic volunteer. The Trinamool Congress is very clearly rattled by the growth of BJP, and every such attempt by a political party's worker, such as the BJP's worker, is being stifled. And it is an irony that the Chief Minister herself is screaming, saying, oh, democracy is under threat. I'm afraid she has created an environment in Bengal which we have to come here to represent to the Election Commission. We have very clearly highlighted instant by instance. Every instance has been highlighted about the excesses of the political party which is in power, and we've requested the Election Commission that they should be very clearly in their role as the organization or the constitutional body which supervises political parties and their activities, because they are registered under the Representation of People's Act. And therefore, every political party should conduct itself in such a way that a free and fair opportunity is available for every political party, which the TMC is denying. That's what we've highlighted to the commissioners.